Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you guys how I will style gorgeous kinky wig from HerGivenHair. You can see the boss the wig came with, very handy, and this is the boss I also use to preserve the wig. And you can see it came with a wig cap, and they also came with details, how to style the wig, how to color, how to condition the wig, and more. It also came with details of the wig. You can see the wig I will be styling in this video is their full lace wig, full lace kinky wig, 18 inches. The wig came with extra combs and the extra clips. Also came with elastic band, which is so nice. What I will do now is just to show you guys the gorgeous kinky wig and the full lace wig. You can see the lace stretched. The elastic band they sewed to the wig is adjustable elastic band. It came with the wig. They are the one that sewed this elastic band to the wig. The wig came with combs, 3 combs, 2 at the sides and then 1 at the back. Also came with adjustable straps. This is the gorgeous wig, very full. What I will do now is just to show you guys the wig, and this is the front bleached. They bleached the knots and they also pre-plucked the front. I am not going to do much with this wig. What I will do is just to go ahead and condition the wig. I don't usually use shampoo on my coiling wigs. If I am to co-wash my coiling wigs, what I normally use is only conditioner. A little bit and wait for some minutes. I will wait for 5 minutes before I will go ahead and comb. You can see, because I waited for some minutes, you can see how soft it looks, and I will just go ahead and comb it more. You can see how the hair looks nice and it looks like my real natural hair. If I applied conditioned on my natural hair, it usually looks like this. And if you are looking for that natural looking texture wig, go for this kinky wig. Like, if you touch it, the softness alone, it feels like touching 4C natural hair. You can see not much shedding, minimal shedding, which is nice. And I went ahead and I rinsed off the conditioner. I will just allow the wig to dry up, and you can see very pretty. You can see this is me with my old cornrows, 3 months cornrows, and I will be taking down the cornrows soon. Try and watch how I will style the wig. And then this is the wig cap that came with the wig, and I will be doing bald cap method. I went ahead and I cut off the excess lace. What I will be using is got to be glue gel, and I will be using the black one. I don't usually like to use strong glue on my edges, and I am just applying got to be glue gel. If you are to do bald cap method, if you want to try this style, I want you to know you can also do it with got to be glue gel, because a lot of people normally use strong glue. Went ahead and dab in a little bit of my powder like this, and I will cut off the excess like this. After applying it on the cap, make sure to wait for some minutes before you will cut off the excess cap. And then what I'll do now, apply a little bit of more got to be glue gel. Wait a little bit for it to be tacky. Try and find it, and place the lace. Start at the front first, press it down a little bit. Use a toothbrush, edge styler toothbrush, to just press it down a little bit at the front. Try to style it to my own desire. Like I said earlier on, a lot of people normally like to use strong glue when doing bold cap method, but me, with got to be glue gel, you can see I'm ready to go. Tie it down a little bit for it to dry up. Spray in a little bit of water to just style the wig. When I spray the water, you can see the softness. Style it to my own desire. You can see how it looks. Just try to pat it side. No hair product, only water. It feels very, very soft, and then you can see the wig on me. I really love this wig. I love the texture, and I love the density. I also love the inches. It's very, very soft, and if you are looking for natural looking kinky wig, I would advise you to go for this wig. Very light, very soft, easy to work with, and don't forget that this wig is from HerGivenHair. This is their Afro Kinky texture, 18 inches. And the details of this wig will be in the description box. Everything you need to know about this wig will be in the description box. And you guys know how I love wigs from HerGivenHair. If you enjoyed this video like as I enjoyed, a few minutes, give a huge thumbs up, share with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.